One wheel. Johnson blower. This is seriously the cleanest 152 probably in existence. It's been newified. It's a little baby plane. Big chongus. This is some kind of Russian jet. Hello. I believe you. Tread wear is nominal. Nice. Ooh, Art Deco nice. I want one. This is so pretty. Nice decathlon. This probably makes a lot of horsepower based on Le Prop. Here's my toy car. Here's my real car, which is also a toy. As you can see from my decals, I'm a danger to wildlife. This is oddly clean. Nice.
Where's the guy that's got the Ferrari that he drives every single day?
I like this. I like this paint scheme. Caw. Is it racist? Probably not. I like the colors. Future. The prop is in the back. Amphibious. This looks fun. It's so tall too, and it's clean. School children like the plane with the deer on the side. Toy car. Rare. One of a kind. Rare. Limited edition. Brand. Forbidden Planes. I guess if you just show up on arrival for Prime, you're part of the air show now. Pew pew. Supreme wants their logo back. Roar. 1650 Hz pers. Cockpit. Prime Air. Time. Blink. Air. One of a kind. Rare. I do all my own stunts. Sweet 185. These are the planes that I am into. I took all the paint off my plane and now it's worth more. All the cool planes are off limits. I was mistaken. I'm now allowed to see the airplanes I want to see. This is making me very happy. Nice. Double push. I like off the ground and under the ground. Nice air cam, dude. So many cool planes. Here goes the first stall competitor. Zoom. He's off. As you can see by my bullet holes, my airframe is structurally compromised. Okay. I entered my 172 into the competition and then dragged my tail on the ground. Super Sport Cub. I don't think this is a Carbon Cub, but nice. Oh. This is that plane that did that thing where it took off in like 5 feet. This is cool. Badge of honor. So cool. Turbo Gushtu 2. I wonder how much power this has. This is a just Super Stole. This probably takes off short. State of Maine. Cambered airfoil. This makes me way happy. As you can see by my sticker, this is how many times I've won. Well, looks like the Cub class is fired up and ready to go. Carbon Cub SS. Nice. Took my back seat out for weight. I mounted a JBL speaker on the front of my airplane. Sweet. I'm just a little bit chubby. Woof. Sup, Corey Robin? These ones are also orange. It does perform better, but at what cost? Here goes the Cub. Here go the Cubs. Here go the Cubs. All of these planes are so clean. I like that they put the little sticker on the back, even though this probably wasn't made by Piper. Best. Cool. I choose to live differently. Take off your pond. I'll take off from a Walmart swimming pool. Hi, T6s. I see you. Tail wheels are overrated anyway. Sup, Viking. This is how you know they're legit. It's got a skid in the back and it's tricycle gear. As you can see by my guns that are mounted from my airplane, don't mess with me. Avgas. Took my luggage out to perform better. I hear a jet. You sure are, buddy. Ooh, Blue Angel number 7. Hello. Zoom zoom goes the Blue Angel. Oh yeah. Nice. So many YouTube personalities that don't know how to handle the fame. This guy is living his best life. I've never actually watched Stoll.
Now,
Alright.
here we go. The dog's coming in a little higher, a little steeper. Folks, right? There, nice on the line into reverse drop. This propeller.
Oh, dude. He has reverse thrust. What the heck? I like Trent Palmer, so I painted my plane the same. Or Trent Palmer said I like this plane, so I will paint mine the same. Tricycle Carbon Cub. Oh my god.
That had to be 100 footer right there.
Wow. Oh, what do you think of the airplanes? How are they doing?
Honestly, a lot of them are scratching. They're landing like 15, 20 feet before the line, which means DQ. So honestly, today's stall competition is kind of sucky.
Yeah, but we're waiting for the unlimited class, which is going to be awesome.
Which is going to be awesome.
Okay. I didn't want to take my floats off, so I'm just going to do this sole competition with my floats. All right, here comes slow planes, boy. What? Wow. Oh, hey, baby. 300 horse purrs.